Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the constant noise in the markets and feeling overwhelmed by all the data flooding your charts, then you're in the right place. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, a Forex trading system that promises to cut through the clutter and put you on the fast track to smarter, more effective trading. I'm talking about Lunarus Pro, a tool that's getting a lot of attention in the trading community. If you're serious about leveling up your trading game, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with what makes Lunarus Pro stand out from the crowd. For anyone who's been in the game for a while, you know how much noise there is in the Forex market. The constant influx of data, signals, and opinions can be overwhelming. It's easy to get distracted or even make poor decisions because there's just too much going on. That's where Lunarus Pro comes in. It's designed to help you cut through all the chaos and focus on what really matters, real, actionable insights that can help you make profitable trades. Now, let's break down the system itself. The first thing that really sets Lunarus Pro apart is its AI-powered market analysis. This isn't just some generic tool. It uses advanced algorithms to quickly analyze market patterns and boil them down into straightforward strategies. This is a huge deal for traders who are tired of spending hours analyzing data and trying to figure out which way the market is moving. With Lunarus Pro, the hard work is done for you, and all you have to do is follow the signals. Another standout feature is the dynamic risk management. In the world of Forex, managing risk is everything. No system is complete without a way to protect your capital, and Lunarus Pro understands that. The system adjusts risk levels based on market conditions, so you're never left exposed during a sudden market shift. This ensures that you're always trading with an appropriate level of risk, which is key to long-term success. Speaking of risk management, Lunarus Pro also offers an MTF view, which stands for multi-time frame analysis. This gives you a complete picture of the market, allowing you to spot opportunities that others might miss. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the market, rather than getting lost in the weeds. Whether you're looking at a 1-minute chart or a monthly chart, you can make informed decisions based on a broader understanding of what's happening across multiple time frames. One feature I absolutely love is the real-time alerts. With Lunarus Pro, you'll get pinged on your phone or through email the second a trade opportunity arises. This means you don't have to be glued to your charts all day. Whether you're working, relaxing, or doing anything else, the alerts will keep you updated so you can take action when it's time to trade. This type of convenience is a game changer for busy traders who need to be able to react fast without always being in front of the screen. Now, let's talk about how the system actually works in practice. Picture this: you're looking at a pound-dollar GBP USD chart. Lunarus Pro gives you a clear buy signal. You take the trade, ride it out, and cash out when you see that first red candle. It's that simple. The system works the same way for sell signals. Once you get the alert, you jump in, and when the market turns in your favor, you exit. No need for second-guessing or overthinking. It's a streamlined, no-fuss approach that lets you stick to the plan and get results. What's really cool is that this system isn't just limited to Forex. It also works with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH. If you're into crypto trading, you know how volatile those markets can be, but Lunarus Pro thrives in that environment. It can handle the wild price swings of crypto just as easily as it does traditional Forex pairs. And with 27 templates to choose from, it's adaptable to your trading style. Whether you're conservative, standard, or aggressive, there's a template designed to match how you trade. You can even switch between different time frames, from quick minute-by-minute moves to holding positions for the long haul. The flexibility is incredible. Let's talk about some of the real numbers behind Lunarus Pro. Over just 3 months, the system generated $59,500 in profit across 92 positions. These aren't just theoretical numbers or inflated claims. This is real hard data from actual traders using the system. And it doesn't stop there. There's a growing community of traders from all over the world who are seeing similar results. Traders like Thomas from Australia, who loves how the no repaint signals keep him steady in his trades, or Todd from the USA, who says the risk management tools have changed the way he approaches his trades. These are just a few examples of how Lunarus Pro is helping traders manage risk and capitalize on market opportunities. What I really appreciate about this system is how it cuts through the noise. Forex trading can sometimes feel like trying to see through a storm of data, but with Lunarus Pro, you get clarity. It doesn't bog you down with unnecessary charts or opinions. It zeroes in on what really matters. And when you can see the market clearly, you're already ahead of the game. So, if you're looking for a trading system that's powerful, flexible, and easy to use, Lunarus Pro is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced trader, it's designed to make your life easier and help you achieve better results. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click the link in the description and grab Lunarus Pro today at a special price. Trust me, this system has the potential to change the way you trade, and you don't want to miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.